PARADISA a word apart, Nadine and Olaf invited us to a cacao ceremony and an ecstatic dance afternoon. We gathered in gratitude to honor Mother Cacao and her medicine. From there, the evening unfolded into an ecstatic dance, a spate without choreography, without expectations, where everyone was invited to move freely and follow their own rhythm. Like birds in open skies, we allowed ourselves to release, express, and simply be. To close the evening, we shared our reflections and our feelings. We held space for one another. Thank you, Nadine and Olaf, for this wonderful afternoon.